Have you ever wondered whether you should use side lighting for your garden? Well, in this video, we're going to get into it. You're here with Mark Boutwell at perfectgardens.com. Make sure to check out perfectgardens.com for all of your grow light needs. Okay, Derek, so real quick, just to answer your question, you have 50 pounds of substrate, 100%. That's the good stuff, man, especially if it's coming from your fish. Just like if you have worm castings, it's just fish castings. So as long as it's dry, it still smells good and doesn't smell like decay or just something that has died or sulfur, something like that, you're good to go. Now, your next question to use side lighting under your plants. Yes, 100%. If you want to use a single strip light, like a T5 or some LED, I'd recommend using 2700 Kelvin. It's more of a red light. The biggest factors you want to take into consideration, though, is what's the temperature in your grow room? Can your grow room handle the extra light? Because, once again, that light will transfer into heat and will affect your overall grow room environment. With more additional heat down below underneath the canopy, your pots might dry out a little bit more. In an earlier video I created, for every action there is a reaction. If you haven't checked that video out, please do so. But that's really what you're doing. When you add a little more light in, especially underneath, you're going to change the grow environment. Because remember, your grow environment is what's going to bring out the most amount of yield, not more light. Although, if your grow environment can handle the more light and the plants still look healthy, then yes, I would recommend to go ahead and do so. I hope this video was helpful. Please give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.